It's time to do something about this damn brush pile, finally. My parents were just throwing stuff here, leaves and some sticks, etc., for the past, I don't know, 20 years, 15 to 20 years, something like that. And it all just piled up here. It's encroaching on the neighbor's property by about 3 to 4 feet. So I need to make this look prettier. And how do you move a mountain when all you have is a shovel and you don't have a fucking tractor or any heavy equipment? You do it by hand, my friends. You just get in there and fucking do it. One shovelful at a time, one rake at a time, one stick at a time. That's how you get this shit done. All right? I was bitching about it a little bit here and there, I'm not going to lie, but I just took a couple seconds, took some deep breaths, I looked around, enjoyed my day, and I just got right back to it, and I kept telling myself my age-old lesson: don't be lazy. Look at that, one shovelful at a time, it's going to get done. You know how we do shit here. We don't shy away from the work. And eventually, you will get it done. Look at this. Oh my Christ. I shaped this whole backside so that it was kind of like a wall holding everything up. And I kind of made a nice piece of property, a little extra property real estate for myself here. And I'm finally not encroaching on the neighbor's property for the first time in 20 years. And it looks so much better up here. I can add more leaves to it and shit because Lord knows I'm going to have more leaves. So it's looking great and it's ready for summertime projects, baby.